If you have a flat or a low slope roof, you've probably heard the term EPDM. And if you're like most homeowners, you're wondering what it actually is and whether it's the right choice for your roof. The truth is, EPDM has been used for decades, but most homeowners don't really understand how it works or why it's so common. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I want to talk with you about EPDM roofing, explain what it is and whether it might be the right fit for your home. Let's get into it. What is EPDM roofing? So let's start simple. EPDM stands for Ethylene Propylene Diene Monomer. The easiest way to think about it is this. EPDM is basically a rubber roofing membrane designed for flat or low slope roofs. If you've ever seen a flat roof that looks like a great big sheet of black rubber, there's a good chance you are looking at EPDM. Why do homeowners choose EPDM? Now, if you ask me why would I choose EPDM over other materials, here's how I'd explain it. First, it's been around for a long time. EPDM has a proven track record, and that matters when you're making a big investment like a roof. Second, it's known for its durability and flexibility. Because it's rubber, it can expand and contract with temperature changes without cracking as easily as some other materials. Third, it's generally a cost-effective option for flat roofing systems. According to what we see at Bill Ragan Roofing Company, that balance of performance and cost is a big reason why homeowners consider it. And fourth, and this is the most important one in my opinion, instead of using a white membrane on a lower roof that you can see out a window that stains anytime a leaf or anything lands on it, EPDM is black, so it doesn't stain, so anytime you look out a window and look over that roof system, it's going to be clean and not have stains on it. What are the downsides of EPDM? Because it's typically black, it can absorb heat, which may impact energy efficiency depending on your attic insulation. And probably the most important thing, installation matters. A poorly installed EPDM roof can lead to seam issues or leaks down the road. Is EPDM the right choice for your roof? So if you were standing in front of me asking, Bill, is EPDM right for my home? I'd say it depends on a few things. If you have a flat roof or a low slope roof and you're looking for something that's proven, cost effective, and reliable when installed correctly, then EPDM is a great option. But like any other roofing material, it comes down to your specific home, your budget, and making sure it's installed as part of a complete roofing system. Summary of the key points. EPDM is a durable rubber roofing membrane designed for flat roofs and has been trusted for decades because of its performance and cost effectiveness. Understanding what EPDM is and how it performs helps you make a more confident decision when it comes to your flat roofing options. If you want to learn more about flat roofing systems or how to choose the right material for your home, watch our next video on roof drip edge. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.